Today I'll show you how to download Google Play games on a Windows 11 or a Windows 10 PC, using which you can play almost every Android game in existence without using an emulator. Just so you know, Google Play games for PC is still in the beta stage, so not every feature might work flawlessly, but yeah, it's a step in the right direction. Now to start, open the first link in the description of this video and download Google Play Games Beta on your PC. Once downloaded, double click on the exe to start the installation process. Within a few minutes, the installation should finish and Google Play Games will ask you to turn on hardware virtualization. You can easily do that by going into the BIOS of your motherboard. Once that's done, open Google Play Games once again and sign in with your Google account. And that's pretty much it. You can now download any Android game on your PC and play it without using any emulator. If this video helped you in any way, then feel free to drop a like, take it easy, and I will see you soon.